Good morning to all your fishermen out there. Today we're going to the Ohio River. It is currently 4:02 a.m. We're getting all our stuff together. Today we're doing a little catch and cook video. It rained about 3 inches last night. So we brought some eggs just in case we didn't catch no catfish or something to cook. I don't know where those are gonna go. But it actually turned out to be a really good day weather-wise. It feels like it's about 65 out here at 4 a.m. The wind's barely blowing. Gunnerson,
Yep.
We gonna catch any fish today, son?
Well, you know, it all depends on how the water looks today, and we're about to go figure that out. So we're gonna come back to you in about 2 hours, and we'll regroup.
All right. We got a 2-hour drive. We'll probably be there about an hour before daylight, though. And our goal today is to at least get on one catfish and hopefully cook him up. 5:35 arrival. We're here a little bit early,
We munching.
and we're gonna get a little look at it. We're gonna fish right where the Kentucky right where the Kentucky River meets into the Ohio River, right in the Delta. But we're gonna try. It's a little up. It's a little bit up. Oh man. But I think the key today will be putting enough weight and sinkers on our line to hold it still, because she is up and roaring. I like her odds though. Currently on the search for dry wood to start a fire, but it rained about 3 inches last night and we can't find none. Our eggs are done. Well, I believe they might be done. They kind of look like an omelet. Ooh, over easy. We're gonna try to dig in here. Let's see, over the fire. Eggs. All right, cheers. Not bad.
Low-key, that's kind of fun. It's fun.
Wild pepper. The egg is actually cooked, which really surprises me.
Yeah.
Fire. Wow.
It's a lot of
I'm
protein.
really surprised. As you can tell out here in the river, maybe. We got whole trees floating out here. So,
Catfish coming soon.
yeah, there are catfish coming soon, and this is a catch and cook episode. So, spot one,
Complete failure.
not very good. Not very good. We might have got one bite. I'm not even really sure it was a bite. Current is super strong, but we've got some ideas working, and we're back in the truck, back on the road, and we're gonna go try another spot. Spot number 2 just got set up. And you can see we're fishing on a pretty nice bank. It's about 10 feet down there. We're fishing by this little wing dam. It comes out right here. Kind of blocks the current out through here. So in here it's not moving too fast. So our sinker problem may be fixed, but our fish problem still haven't found them. To be continued.
Gunnison checking in here. It's about 10:15 right now. Conditions haven't changed. It's pretty windy still. We're going to our third spot of the day. Jake, you want to fill us in on some information about the spot we're going to?
Spot 2 was a bust. Nothing doing. No bites. I think the key for today, since the water is so high, is going to be structured. So we're going to hit up Markland Dam on the Ohio River. Pretty big dam. I think we're going to fish the lock system. Hopefully there's not too many boats locking through. And see if we can get on some gar too. What do you think?
I think it sounds pretty nice.
Nice.
We're gonna check in with you probably later.
3.
Let's just
Parkland Dam. We got all the gates open, but we're fishing by the wall. And, I don't know, it's just rough out here.
It's
Gunner
chilly.
just lost his sinker and hook, got hung. What we got in there, Gunner? What we using?
nice.
Boogie
Thick. Boogie.
Well, we've been here about 20 minutes. 25 minutes. Got us a fish, boy. Look at it. Oh! Good size fish. Yeah, hold him up, Gunny. Nice.
Well, I'm back here. We're back on road now. We just got done with our last fishing spot. Jay caught a fish. A nice little, probably about a 3-4 pounder.
5 pounder.
5 pounder, we'll give it. But it was, I mean, it was a good day, man.
Didn't need
Woke up early.
We didn't think we could start a fire where we were.
Too
at.
windy. It was too windy. But Jake, what do you think you learned today?
I learned that the Ohio River is really hard to fish, especially if you don't have the gear to fish it. What did you learn today, Gunner?
Well, I learned how to have a good time, you know? You just sit out there, and I looked out across the river, and it just looked beautiful, man. It was nice. It was a good day. But we're going to come back to you later on, probably another time, probably sometime this week, 'cause we're always out. But I'm out now.